Hello students. So in these segments today we will discuss about histology of alimentary canal. What is that? Histology of alimentary canal. So today we will discuss about histology of alimentary canal. So the alimentary canal is composed of 4 layers. So it is composed of 4 layers. 4 layers లేదంటే 4 coats అని కూడా అంటారు. ఓకేనా? 4 layers గా చెప్పుకుంటాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? So here first one is outermost layer. This outermost layer, so that is serosa or serous layer. Serosa or serous layer. Serosa or serous layer. And the second one is muscular layer. Muscular layer. And third one is submucosa layer, and the fourth one is mucosa layer. Okay na? There are 4 layers in a histology of alimentary canal. So I will explain clearly. So first outermost layer. So this is the outermost layer. So this is complete outermost layer is called as serosa. What is that? Serosa. It is a epithelial layer. Outermost layer serosa is a epithelial layer. It is a epithelial layer. The epithelial means epi means upon. Okay na? Thelia means tissue. Okay na? So just upon, that means outer surface of the membrane. So it is parietal membrane also. Okay na? Parietal membrane అని కూడా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. Peritoneal membrane, parietal membrane. Okay na? Serous layer or serosa. Okay na? It is a epithelial membrane. So just it is followed by muscular layer. So muscular layer, that means this muscle layer has a 2 sublayers, longitudinal muscular layer and circular muscular layer. So here this is longitudinal muscular layer. It is a longitudinal muscular layer. Okay na? And it is followed by circular muscular layer. Okay, so these 2 layers are muscular layer. So in that, so this is circular muscles, circular layer or circular muscles, and these are longitudinal muscles. Longitudinal muscles. So that means muscular layer has 2 sublayers, outer longitudinal muscles and inner circular muscles. But in stomach there is a other muscular layer also present in the stomach, especially only in stomach, not complete alimentary canal, only in stomach. That is the unique to the stomach. The additional muscular layer is present, that is oblique muscular layer. Only in stomach. ఓకేనా, oblique muscular layer in stomach only. That is unique to stomach. That is unique to stomach. అంటే the circular muscular layer is followed by oblique muscles in the stomach only. In the stomach only, not complete alimentary canal. Not complete alimentary canal. Okay na? Is that clear? And one more point. In between the longitudinal muscles and circular muscles, there is a network of neurons. Especially these are the parasympathetic neurons. The network of parasympathetic neurons. These are the, so these are Arieback plexus. Arieback plexus అంటారు. Arieback plexus means in between the longitudinal and circular muscles there is a network of parasympathetic neurons are present. These parasympathetic neurons are collectively called as Arieback plexus. Arieback plexus ka cheppodu jarugtundi. Okay na? So this is about muscular layer. Two sub muscles are there, longitudinal muscles and circular muscles, but in stomach the additional muscle is present, so that is called as oblique muscular layer in stomach only. In stomach only, in between these longitudinal and circular muscles there is a network of parasympathetic neurons collectively called as Arieback plexus. Arieback plexus. Okay na? And it is followed by submucosa. Submucosa. It is followed by submucosa. Okay? So this area, okay, submucosa. Submucosa. Okay, now this submucosa layer is composed of, submucosa layer is composed of dense regular connective tissue. Ante the numerous dense regular connective tissues are present, and also it includes blood vessels. It includes blood vessels, and also it includes blood vessels. Okay na? It includes blood vessels. Okay na? Submucosa layer is composed of dense regular connective tissue and also blood vessels, and also blood vessels, and this layer is followed by, this layer is followed by mucosal layer. Mucosa layer. Mucosa layer, and mucosa layer is innermost layer. Mucosa layer is innermost layer. Okay na? Innermost layer, and it includes three sublayers. Three sublayers. So this is muscularis mucosa. Okay na? Muscularis mucosa. Muscularis mucosa. Okay na? Muscular. And just below the submucosal layer, this is muscularis mucosa. Okay na? And next one is lamina propria. So next layer, it is followed by second layer. This is lamina propria. Propina or propria, whatever it may be. And it is followed by innermost layer. So this is the innermost layer. This is innermost layer. The innermost layer is called as epithelial layer. Epithelial layer. Epithelial layer. Okay, in mucosal layer, and additionally 3 layers, sublayers are present in mucosa. That means mucosa layer includes 3 sublayers. First one is mucosa, muscularis mucosa, lamina propria, and also epithelial layer, and also epithelial layer. These 3 layers are collectively called as mucosa. Mucosa. Okay na? mucosa. So this is histology of alimentary canal. Histology of alimentary canal. It is composed of 4 layers. Outer serosa, and serosa is followed by muscularis, and it is followed by submucosa, and the final innermost layer is mucosa layer. Innermost layer is mucosa layer. Okay na? And the serosa is composed of the epithelial cells, and muscularis as a 2 sub layers. So longitudinal muscles and circular muscles in all alimentary canal except in stomach. Okay na? In between the longitudinal and circular muscles there is a network of parasympathetic neurons collectively called as Ariebeck plexus. And in stomach the additional layer, so that is called as oblique muscular layer, present in only stomach. That is unique feature to the stomach. Third muscular layer present in the stomach, that is oblique muscular layer. And it is followed by submucosa layer, and the submucosa layer contains what is that? Dense regular connective tissue, and also blood vessels, and it is followed by the mucosa layer. It includes 3 sublayers: outer muscularis mucosa, and middle lamina propria, and the inner layer is epithelial layer. So this is information about histology of alimentary canal. Okay na? Thank you and all. Okay na? Bye bye.